everybody, this is Tom with If This Car Could Talk, coming to you at Barrett-Jackson 2022. We're here on Sunday for the second day of the previews, and as we were walking around, this beautiful Decoliner was found, and it is going to be for sale at no reserve. Now I'm going to ask the two guys that are partners on this to come in and join me. This is Sandy, and this is Paul. Gentlemen, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
And I would like to just ask you to tell us about this beautiful vehicle and how you came about being involved in it. Just the whole story, if you would, please.
So a good friend of ours built it. I've known of the family for 30 years. And about 3 years ago, Dale approached me and asked me to help him sell the truck. And then we had the wonderful COVID hit.
Wow.
So we're from Canada, the border closed. No one from the States was coming up to Canada to look at vehicles. And I was still trying to sell it. And then he was bugging me, why don't you buy it? Why don't you buy it? Him and I started chatting, and then one day I made a deal with Dale, I bought it, phoned him 2 seconds later, he goes, yep, I'm in, let's make it happen. And then we phoned two other guys, they jumped in, so there's actually 4 partners in the truck. Sandy and I have done all the quarterbacking to get it here to the Good Guys event, and we decided to let it rip in Barrett-Jackson 2022.
All right. Again, selling at no reserve, everybody. When is it going on sale?
It goes Saturday, January 29th, approximately 2:30 local time here. It'll go. It's lot 1318.
All right. Now remember too, folks, if you're not registered to bid here live, you can bid on the phone. And this would be something that if you're looking for something unique, you will never, ever, ever see again. Sandy, tell us a little bit about how this was built, some of the components used.
Started off just as a conventional box truck, like a 3-ton box truck, single cab, of course. 10,000 hours later, they sectioned the cab, he added doors, did all of this. Of course, the back end is all custom. It's all aluminum one-off chassis, all air ride, 502 Ramjet, 4L80E transmission, airbag, runs down the road perfectly. It's been driven from Canada to California, no issues, no problem at all. Underneath looks just as good as the top to this day.
All right, we're going to step back so that Dana can pan some of the features, the storage compartments and that. This is really an amazing truck, everybody.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
The hitch up there too. Right in here.
Really hard to get near this truck without somebody being around it or somebody commenting or talking to the guys about it. This truck is incredible.
When we first bought it, I told my girlfriend that we're going to do this, and she goes, oh great, I can finally get a picture of it. I said, what do you mean? She goes, every time we've seen it at the car show, you couldn't get a photo of it. Too many people around it. So.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this video just does not do this truck justice. So Sandy, tell us about the back fenders. Were they handmade or how
It's
were those?
handmade. He's about 1,000 hours just into the fenders alone. He still has the bucks, so if the customer, whoever buys it, would like to build a matching trailer, the builder's more than welcome that he would build a trailer.
And those are steel fenders?
These are composite.
Oh, okay.
Lots of room for storage.
My favorite feature about this truck is that dash. It's from a 60 Chrysler, and it really looks Art Deco and just fits this truck perfectly.
Still in great health. He's building himself.
Sandy and Paul, thank you so much for taking us on a tour of this amazing truck. Tell us again when it's going to be on the block.
Saturday, January 29th, approximately 2:30 local time.
All right, and I just want to thank Barrett-Jackson for this amazing event they're putting on. This is their 50th annual, which is quite a commendable feat. So I want to say congratulations to Barrett-Jackson. We're glad to be here. We're local to Phoenix, so we didn't have to travel as far as these gentlemen did. But they have this truck, and if you want to buy something unique, then you can go onto the website, barrett-jackson.com. Check it out there. We'll have a lot more feature photos of the truck underneath, the bare chassis, so you can see the quality of the build. It's not just pretty on the outside, it's very well built. So gentlemen, thank you very much.
Thanks for having us.
Sale.
Bid high, bid often.
All right. Yeah,
Take care.
bid high, bid often.